Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices fell over 1% on Friday due to profit-taking, although they remained poised for their seventh straight weekly rise, driven by fears of a global trade war in the wake of US President Donald Trump's push for reciprocal tariffs. The dollar notched a weekly loss against the euro as a delay in the introduction of trade tariffs planned by US President Donald Trump raised hopes that they may not be as bad as feared, while optimism about a peace deal between Russia and Ukraine helped the single currency rally. Oil prices settled down to end last week on prospects for a peace deal between Russia and Ukraine that could ease global supply disruptions by ending sanctions against Moscow. But losses were limited by a delay in US immediate reciprocal tariffs.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
With pivotal data releases scheduled in the coming days, the economic calendar provides insight into which financial reports and economic updates are most likely to steer market activity. Traders should prepare for possible volatility. These economic indicators are set to guide market sentiment. Keeping a close watch and adjusting positions as necessary can help mitigate risks and capture opportunities.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.